If you're looking for the best hosting or coupon code, I want to make sure you're getting the biggest discount possible. This is the video for you. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to claim the exclusive hosting or discount that can get you up to 79% off hosting, plus an additional 10% off with an exclusive coupon code. I'll also explain which hosting or plans qualify for the biggest savings, when the coupon code works, when it doesn't work, and how to avoid common mistakes that can cause you to miss out on the lowest pricing available. To get started, click the hosting or discount link in the description below. You'll find the exclusive hosting or coupon code right next to the link in the description below. Quick disclosure, the link in the description is an affiliate link, which means I merit a commission at no extra cost to you. You still receive the exclusive hosting or discount at the lowest pricing available. Once you arrive on the hosting or website, you'll see several hosting plans available. 3 plans most people consider are Premium, Business, and Cloud Startup. The Premium plan is hostinger's most affordable option. It can be as low as $269 per month. This plan is ideal for beginners, personal websites, blogs, portfolios, and small business websites that are just getting started. The business plan can be as low as $359 per month. It is the most popular option for many website owners. It includes additional performance resources and features that make it a great choice for growing websites, business sites, and users who want more flexibility as their traffic increases. The Cloud Startup plan can be as low as $719 per month. It's designed for websites that need even more performance and resources. This option is often chosen by larger businesses, agencies, e-commerce stores, and websites expecting higher levels of traffic. After selecting the plan you want, hosting will ask you to choose a billing term. This step is important because the biggest discounts are typically available on longer-term plans. You'll also notice that annual and longer-term hosting plans include a free domain name, which can save you even more money when launching a new website. If you choose the monthly hosting term, keep in mind that the exclusive coupon code does not apply and the free domain name is not included. Once you've selected your hosting term, look for the coupon code field. Enter the exclusive hosting or coupon code provided next to the link in the description below. Once applied successfully, you'll see the pricing update automatically and the additional discount reflected in your order total. At this point, review your order details, confirm your selected plan, and complete the checkout process. After your purchase is complete, you gain access to your hosting or account dashboard, where you can register your free domain name if eligible, install WordPress, create a website with Hostinger's website builder, migrate an existing website, or start building your online presence right away. One of the reasons Hostinger continues to be popular is because it offers beginner-friendly tools while still providing features that more advanced users appreciate. You also get access to 24/7 customer support, global data centers, website management tools, security features, and a 30-day money-back guarantee for additional peace of mind. So if you're looking to get the lowest hosting or pricing available, be sure to use the hosting or discount link in the description and apply the exclusive coupon code during checkout to maximize your savings. I hope this hosting or coupon code tutorial helped you save money on your hosting purchase. If it did, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more web hosting discounts, reviews, tutorials, and website building content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.